for the Gilas players, just believe. I think that if we come in with the idea that just believe that we can do it, I think we will do it. So that'll be on all of us.
Tiwala ang bitbit ng Gilas Pilipinas nang harapin ang New Zealand sa second window ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 qualifiers noong Huwebes, November 21. Tiwalang makakakuha ng kauna-unahang panalo sa isang kupunang ginapi sila sa lahat ng 4 na pagkakataon mula 2016. Tiwalang sa harap ng kanilang mga kapwa Pilipinong umabot sa mahigit 16,000 ang bilang sa Mall of Asia Arena sa Pasay, ay matitikman na nila ang mailap na panalo kontra Tall Blacks na maglalapit sa kanila sa isang pwesto sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025. Just believe.
I just really feel like New Zealand the New Zealand team has handled us over the last few years, and they've beaten us pretty badly when we played them. But I really, really feel there's a sense that we can beat them this time around, and I think there's a certain confidence on the players that they have, and it's deserving.
At nakitaan nga ng tiwala sa sarili ang Gilas Pilipinas, lalo na si Kai Sotto na walang takot na nagpakawala ng halos triple-double numbers kontra world number 22 New Zealand. Inilabas ni Sotto ang kanyang pinakamahusay na laro, suot ang Gilas Pilipinas men jersey nang siya ay magtala ng 19 points, 10 rebounds at 7 assists. Sapat na ito upang tulungan ang world number 34 Gilas na putulin ang sumpa kontra New Zealand. Sa score na 93-89 ay nasungkit ng Pinoy dribblers sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ang panalo laban sa Tall Blacks sa FIBA stage. Tiwala na nagresulta sa magandang laro ang nagbigay ng pagkakataon sa Gilas Pilipinas na pinamumunuan ni head coach Tim Cohn na umukit muli ng kasaysayan.
I just love the commitment that Kai is showing, coming in every day, every time coming in early. Poor guy had to go through 2-a-day practice coming off a concussion and still battled through it all, and everybody else is doing the same. So my hat is really off to the players and what they're doing to get to this level and get to this point. I think we all should be proud of them.
Bago pa man nagsimula ang aksyon sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025 qualifiers, ay ipinaliwanag ni Cohn ang kahalagahan ni Kai Sotto sa Gilas Pilipinas, partikular na ang kanilang pagtutulungan sa front court ni Junmar Fajardo.
The nice thing is that Kai and Junmar are developing a chemistry in which they can play together. And that's really unusual to get 2 5-man and allow them to play together. And that's a credit to Kai's versatility and his character in terms of, I'm comfortable at the 5, but I will go play the 4 and be uncomfortable so that Junmar can stay at the 5. And so it's a really good rotation. We have the 2 of them that can play together, and then when Junmar rests, Kai can swing to the 5. And when Junmar comes back, Kai can swing back to the 4.
Pero sa gabing 6 na puntos, 3 rebounds at 1 assist lamang ang naging kontribusyon ni Fajardo sa halos 18 minuto sa court. Si Sotto ang nagningning para sa Pilipinas. Para kay Justin Brownlee na ilang beses nang ipinamalas ang kanyang magic sa Gilas Pilipinas, kabilang na ang pressure-packed free throw sa endgame kontra New Zealand, si Sotto ay walang katulad.
What he do, it's unmatched. He's one of a kind, sure.
Ayon kay Kai, nagsimula ang lahat sa kanilang preparasyon.
I think, nagsimula sa preparation namin. Simula window, February. Simula na na-build yung team. Talagang tuloy-tuloy lang kami. Kaya, manalo matalo. Dito na lang kami yung season. Happy kami na manalo kami ngayon kasi pinagirapan talaga namin.
Bukod kay Sotto, sina Brownlee, Scottie Thompson, Chris Newsome at Dwight Ramos ay malaki rin ang naging ambag para sa koponan. Pinapurihan ni Cohn ang sakripisyo ng bawat miyembro ng Gilas Pilipinas na ibinibigay ang lahat para sa bayan.
These guys, I'll be honest, they're not making big money doing this. They're coming here basically on, it's a small little portion of the salaries they make in their home teams. What they're making here. So they're coming in here with their hearts more than their pockets. And and they're here and they're giving it their all.
Nag-ukit man ng kasaysayan ang Gilas Pilipinas kontra New Zealand, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Sisiguraduhin pa ng Gilas ang kanilang tiket patungong FIBA Asia Cup 2025 sa kanilang duelo kontra Hong Kong sa Linggo, November 24. For more stories, check out onesports.ph.